Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classroom. Hope you all are doing well. We had studied about the addition of two-digit numbers without regrouping in the last class. I hope you have understood that. Today, we are going to learn the addition of three numbers. So, children, let us start. Now, I am going to show some objects in front of you. Tell me, children, what is this? These are the building blocks which we use it for playing. I have some building blocks, but they are in different colors: yellow, red, and green. You have to find out the total number of building blocks. How do you find out the total number? You can find the total number of blocks by adding. We already know the addition of two numbers. Here we have to add three numbers because we have three colors. That is the three blocks in yellow color, two in red and one in green. So we have to add three numbers. That is 3 plus 2 plus 1. How do you add these numbers? We have three yellow blocks, two red blocks and one green block. We have to find out the total number of blocks. For that, first we add the yellow and red blocks. That is 3 plus 2. Tell me, children, what will be the answer? 3 plus 2 is 5. That is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Then we have to add the green block too. For that, we add the number of green block, that is 1, with the sum. Which is the sum here? It is 5. That is 5 plus 1. We add the number 5 plus 1. We got 6 as the answer. That means we can say there are 6 blocks in total. Let us solve one more problem. Add 4 plus 3 plus 1. Here we have to find the sum of three numbers 4, 3 and 1. For that, first we add the first two numbers. Which are the first two numbers? They are 4 and 3. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. First we add the first two numbers, then we get the answer as 7. Then we add the third number, which is the third number here, is 1. Then we add the third number to the sum, which is 7. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Now we can say that 4 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 8. You can add the numbers in any order and still get the same answer. Let us understand this with an example. Our question: find the total of 1, 4 and 2. In the first method, we are going to add the first two numbers. Which are the first two numbers here? 1 and 4. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Then we add the third number, that is 2, to the sum, which is 5. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Thus we can say that 1 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 7. In the second method, we are going to add the first and third numbers. Which are the first and third numbers? First number is 1 and third number is 2. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then we add the second number, that is 4, to the sum, which is 3. That is 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. That is 1 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 7. In both cases, we get the same answer. Now we learn how to add three one-digit numbers. In this way, we can add three two-digit numbers. Let us check. Here we have a problem. That is, we have to find out the sum of three two-digit numbers. Let us check. 42 31 and 12. These are the three two-digit numbers. We have to find out the sum of these numbers. Yesterday I told you when adding two-digit numbers always start from the ones place. After the ones place digits are added, then add the tens place digit. So shall we start? Okay. Tell me children, which are the ones place digits? 2, 1 and 2. Now we know how to add three one-digit numbers. So we can add these three numbers now. For that, first we add the first two numbers, that is 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then add the third number to the sum, which is 3. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So we can write the number 5 here. Then we move to the tens place digits. Which are the tens place digits? 4, 3 and 1. Here also we can add these three numbers in this way. That is, first we add the first two digits, that is 4 and 3. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Then we add the third number, which is the third number here, is 1. We add the third number to the sum, which is 7. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So we can write the number 8 here. Now we get the answer as 85. In this way, we can add three two-digit numbers. Today we have studied about the addition of three numbers. I hope you have understood this. I attached the notes of lesson and a worksheet under this video. Practice well and study well. Let me conclude today's session. Thank you.